MixMasters Craft Cocktails, where we teach you how to make classic cocktails. If you're watching this, you made it. You made it through 2020. And now we're off to 2021. Should old acquaintance be forgot? All right, we're gonna pop some champagne. After 2020, we deserve to pop some champagne. So we're gonna make a classic here. Champagne cocktail. You know it's easy. Simple, okay? Simple. Easy to get started. You take 1 sugar cube, drop it in your champagne flute, all right? Drop your bitters, let it start melting that sugar cube. You know, just a little dash. I like the flavor to come through. So, let that start melting that cube. About a ½ ounce of cognac or brandy, whatever you got. And then we start with straight shot and then pop by. Oh, we didn't have too big of a pop. Pour that on slow so it doesn't fizz too much. And as you see, the sugar cube is dissolving in the bottom as you drink the cocktail. Classic champagne cocktail. Happy 2021. Remember, subscribe, share, like. Should hold acquaintance.